Today's videos are COEX Trade Tower and SM타운. COEX is the center of southern Seoul, where more than 4.5 million people visit annually. COEX has the main building of the KITAs on 55 floors. The KITA is the largest public-private organization with overseas operations as its members and is the best trade, investment, and educational institution in Korea. COEX has the following major facilities: KITA headquarters, COEX exhibition hall, SM타운 at COEX artium, Starfield library, a tower, department store, first-class hotels, city air terminal, 7럭 casino, Lotte duty-free shop, megabox theater, and aquarium. Visit here to get a closer look at the COEX area. You can enjoy the aerial video. Let's go outside and take a look around. The main buildings at COEX. This is SM타운 at COEX artium. Anyone who knows K-pop will know SM Entertainment Group well. Here's a part of the SM타운 in COEX. There are galleries, performance halls, video facilities, and souvenir shops for K-pop singers. However, the facility will only be here until June 28 this year and will be closed afterwards. Please report to this notice. It will be reopened in another place. This great place is due this month, and I hope it will open it better elsewhere. With the construction of the new GBC tower at Hyundai Motors headquarters across the street, the area is likely to turn into the best in Gangnam. I uploaded a video about Hyundai Motors headquarters as above. Please report to this as well. It is a wonderful sculpture that embodies Psy's Gangnam Style song choreography. Now let's go to the Starfield library on the basement floor. I'm going to show you one of the most famous places in COEX, the Starfield library. Please check the video of the library on my channel. Now let's go to the other floors. There are many shops and restaurants on the basement floor. The first floor is the COEX International Exhibition Hall. Many international exhibitions are held here. There's a dental equipment exhibition this week. From the second floor, there is a small exhibition hall, a corporate office located within the trade tower. Today is the day to prepare the exhibition in advance. This is an exhibition room where the products of the companies are displayed. There is also a job fair for those who want to work abroad. This is the Korea International Trade Association's Public Relations Center at the entrance of the exhibition hall on the first floor. There are several related websites. They are also promoting trade academy and courses. They are also promote free trade agreement support centers. We are promoting the current status of Korea's FTA countries and the advantages of FTA. On the fourth floor, there is a trade academy run by the KITA. This academy plays an important role when studying practical trade outside of school. That's all for today's video.